The VEVOR 1320 pounds electric hoist is equipped with a 14-foot wired remote control, making it perfect for lifting items over long distances safely and effortlessly. Featuring 2 modes of operation, this hoist offers flexibility with single and double line lifting options, catering to various lifting needs with ease. A robust copper motor powers the hoist with 1,150 watts, ensuring efficient performance while preventing overheating thanks to its large cooling fan. Constructed with a durable steel body and a thickened steel wire rope, this hoist is designed for long-term use, providing secure and stable lifting without the risk of wear or breakage. Installation is a breeze with its easy-to-use mounting brackets, allowing you to quickly set up the hoist on a ceiling or beam with minimal effort. Ideal for both professional and amateur use, this versatile hoist can be utilized in garages, factories, warehouses, and even homes, making it a valuable tool for various lifting tasks.